If your 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller is not connecting, freezing, or acting weird, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset it, pair it again, and fix connection issues. Step 1. Reset controller settings. Hold home plus pair button together for 5 seconds. This resets controller settings and fixes most glitches. Step 2. 4G wireless pairing. Set the mode switch to 4G. Press home to turn it on. Hold pair for 3 seconds until the LED flashes fast. Now plug the 4G USB adapter into your PC or console. LED becomes solid when connected. Step 3. Bluetooth pairing. Set mode switch to BT. Press home. Hold pair for 3 seconds until LED flashes fast. Go to Bluetooth settings and select 8BitDo Ultimate 2 Wireless. Step 4. Force shutdown. Hold home for 8 seconds to force power off. Step 5. Update firmware. Use 8BitDo Ultimate software to update controller plus receiver firmware.